Tell you something, okay?
Okay.
Mommy got really hungry today, and I don't want you to be sad, but I ate all your candy from Halloween.
Mommy, but that makes me really sad.
Are you mad at me?
No. That's sad.
What? Why does it make you so sad?
It's because you ate all my candy.
But I was really hungry.
You should eat. That makes you have a headache.
To eat all the candy.
Yeah.
It did make me feel kind of bad.
But you should drink some water.
I should have just drank some water.
Yeah. Then when it's Halloween, the next Halloween, I'll be not really sad, but I need to keep my candy, then you can't eat my candy. We're discussing our candy.
Okay, but this year I ate it all today. Are you so mad at me?
No.
You're
It's
not?
not. I'm just sad.
You're just sad.
Yeah. But when it's the next Halloween, we can share my candy.
Okay, I'll learn from my mistake then.
Yeah,
Well, that's very understanding of you that you're not so mad at me.
Well, I had this today.
But you're not mad at me for your candy?
Yeah, I'm not mad at you. And I also want to tell you, I got some big problems. This.
Oh my goodness. You don't even care about your candy, do you?
Yeah, I don't even care.
Well, that's nice of you. You're okay with it? You're not mad at me?
No, not mad at you.
You're just trying to distract yourself so you don't get mad at me.
Well, I am kind of mad at you. I'm not mad at you.
Is there anything I can do to make it up? No. Just need some time.
Yeah, you can spend some time with me.
Okay. That's how I can make it up to you?
Yeah, sure you can.
Well, that's very understanding of you. Love you.